So, you talk
pretty
about
much, guys, we have this set right now where it'll make your cuts no matter what your thickness of wood is, because you're all making the same amount of, the same thickness of teeth for your finger joints. So basically you don't need to touch the adjustment knobs in any way. You just come over here and you will slide your wood in where it needs to go up against the fingers.
They're actually called pins?
The pins, okay. You slide it up against the pins, you make your first cut, and then all you do is move it over to where the first tooth that you cut out goes on top of the pins. It's set right so it'll fit, and then you just make your next cut, you move it over, make your next cut, move it over. Then, once you finish cutting all the way through, you flip it over, put your first cut back on the teeth, the pins, and then what you do is you put your next board over up against it, make your first cut with that, then get this board out of the way, and just keep moving it over, and you'll have your finger joints. So we're going to demonstrate that for you now.
Then all you have to do, if you are getting a different size piece of wood, you're going to line it up on here and move the blade so it's exactly the same width as the board itself.
Yeah. That's the only adjustment you should ever have to make, and moving this. But other than that, the adjustment knobs do not get touched.
Yeah, it's really good. Ready? Go.
I'm ready.
Yeah, it was that one.
Oh, dude, that was so sad.
This one turned out really tight. This one's
That one's a little tighter. Yeah, you have to file it a little bit.
You have to file it a little bit, but...
Go ahead and try putting it in there and see how tight it is. So it'd be a little bit of filing.
Yeah.
But
The other
that
one
is
was a
gonna
little
work.
bit looser, but it's still hard to get.
But that's still going to work.
Yeah.
Right.
I think it's
Okay.
because right before we did this one, I tightened that a little bit. If I would have had a little bit.
So maybe give it a little bit of play.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.